Hi, Bubbly. How are you?
Yeah, Spark, I am fine.
Do you see how special I am?
You look amazing today.
Bubbly, you always know how to give a compliment. Hey, Flash!
Sorry, guys. Did I scare you? I am the fastest car ever.
Are you a faster rider than me? Yeah, of course.
Are you challenging me?
Hey guys, racing is very dangerous.
Today you made a big mistake. This is my final warning. Don't do this again.
We are extremely sorry, sir. Oh no, I am the winner.
Oh, yeah, I am the winner.
They have not changed yet. I should teach them a proper lesson. A bullet train is coming there. Both of you compete with it.
Help me!
Commander, sir! Spark got stuck on the railway track. Please, we need emergency.